Hi everyone and welcome back. It's Louis from Yachts Co International Boat Sales. Today we are on board a Jeanneau Cap Camarat 6.5cc. This is a 2022 model with a Yamaha 150 horsepower 4-stroke outboard engine. This boat is immaculate. We are reading on the display a grand total of 97.3 hours on this engine. The boat and engine have done nothing at all. She's afloat here in Milford Haven Marina in Pembrokeshire, and she's available for sale on our brokerage. Have a look down below for the details and a link to the listing there. Right, I'm going to give you a little bit of a walk around tour, but have a quick look at the boat, some of the features, some of the things it offers, and why this is such good value for money. Just starting here at the outside of the boat, you'll see that these are extremely good looking boats and absolutely ideal day boats for the estuary here in Pembrokeshire. So we've got a good size anchor mounted on a roller at the bow with an electric anchor windlass located underneath this lifting hatch here. So we've got our Lumar there with the remote control and a good amount of chain and rode. As we walk down the boat, you can see the forward seating area. So this is a very, very sociable boat and will seat quite a few both in the forward and the aft. This also converts into a sunbed and the cushions are down below. The upholstery is in lovely condition, like new, and the boat comes with a full all-over cover and a console cover and helm seat covers as well. So moving aft, you've got another seat here with storage underneath, the center console, which we'll have a look at in a moment, 2 helm seats, and then the rear seating arrangement here. These side seats here are folding, so these will actually fold back up into the sides of the boat, which I'll show you in a moment. And then we've got a flap here that lifts up with an infill cushion and turns that into another sunbed. So you can see how many people this boat can seat. You get 4 easily there, and then in the bow you get another 4 to 6 seating there, as well as then you've got your 2 helm seats. So moving aft, we've got the Yamaha 150 horsepower 4-stroke outboard engine, 97 hours, basically like new, and she's just been serviced as well. We've got some lovely extras. We've got extended bathing platform, swim ladder, storage here, bimini frame with the bimini cover there. And then we'll step on board and I'll show you around a closer look at the inside. So aft here, we've got some storage beneath the floor, absolutely ideal for your cleaning equipment, your mops and your boat hooks, etc. Here's a closer look at this stern seating arrangement, and I'll show you how easily this rear seating arrangement folds up. So the back lifts like so, and that lifts up. So we lift that to there, the cushions can stay in place, and there we go, that is folded away. Nice and neat. And then we can do the same on this side. Again, that just lifts up, cushions stay in place, and we're folded away nice and neat. This bench seat stays exactly as it is. Now, why would you do this? This gives you access through the rear door, so you've got access out onto the swim area. And then this side, down here, we have the master battery switch. And it just gives you a little bit more deck space if you're using the boat for recreational fishing. Center console with nice wide side decks on both sides of the boat, so you can very easily navigate your way to the forward deck. And here we have that very, very good seating arrangement. We've got storage beneath here. All these cushions are removable. We've got a pedestal here where a table can be inserted. Got more storage beneath here, and that actually drops down into the cabin area, which I'll show you in a moment. A nice size windscreen to protect from spray and wind when you're at the helm. And let's move around to the helm. We've got 2 lovely helm seats, bolstered in really nice fabric, in good condition. On the helm itself, we're upgraded with a Garmin GPS chart plotter and fish finder, And then we've got the Yamaha engine display. The Yamaha is keyless start. Then we've got boat systems and controls down here, and that lovely chunky Jeanneau steering wheel. We'll just start the engine for you. Push button start, and we're running. There we go. Ticking over at 700 RPM. Just walking around to the engine for a brief moment. She has been fully serviced, and you can see she's got a nice strong telltale. So back on the helm, here we've got your water tank display, Bastimo compass, 12-volt socket, and then storage beneath here, cup holders. Moving down into the cabin, we've got a Perspex tinted sliding door, and we drop down into the cabin / storage area. So down here is the ideal place to keep those extra cushions, to turn your seating areas into the sunbeds, and then we can just store various items down here. We have storage access down there to under the rear deck, and then behind those plastic boxes we have additional access to the forward deck storage areas. So a nice size cuddy cabin, not a cabin that you can sleep in, but absolutely perfect for storage, and you could also put a porta potty down there if you wished. Another upgrade on this boat is the presence of a Fusion RA70N Bluetooth stereo system. So the head unit for that is down here in the cabin area. It does have a nice soft protective cover, and then if we move up into the cockpit, we can see our waterproof marine speakers. And then something else that a lot of you will probably really enjoy is this tow frame here, which is absolutely ideal if you want to use this boat for skiing or pulling toys, especially out on the estuary, such as here in Milford Haven. So there we go, that's the full walk around tour of the Jeanneau Cap Camarat 6.5cc. These are truly wonderful day boats, and if you're in the market for a boat that you can hop on and have a really good day out, that you can ski off, you can wakeboard off, you've got a little bit of shelter if you need it, you can chuck a porta potty down there, plenty of storage and loads of seating area to get as many people on board, friends and family as you wish, then do have a look at these. This has got the bimini cover, which is great for a day like today. You can get some sunshade over you, or if the weather turns a little bit rainy, as it often does in the UK. We've got two lovely helm seats, a really great dash there with all the equipment that you could need, and this boat is basically brand new. She's done 97 hours. She's a 2022 boat. She comes with an extreme road trailer as well, which is in lovely condition and ready for the boat to go on her. She is currently afloat in the marina, which means she has been anti-fouled. So you have the option of keeping her in the marina, keeping her on dry stack, or keeping her on the trailer. If you're interested in this boat, have a look at our website, yachts.co. I'll pop a link down below. Thank you for watching the video. If you like, please do give me the thumbs up, pop your comments down below and hit that subscribe button. Then you'll see all of the videos and the boat tours that we put up. I'll pop up another video here of one of our other boat tours and a little link here to our channel where you can subscribe. Thanks for watching everyone, and I'll see you in the next boat tour.